this video is only for people who are serious about trading. If you're just looking for a new strategy that will make you rich, this video, it is not for you. But if you truly want to learn something that will drastically increase your chances in success with trading, you are in the right place. So let's go straight to the point. Trading is an activity, and every activity has an objective, like a work, a job, or ever, or a hobby. But the objective of trading, it is to make money. And most people only look to money. But the much more you look to the money, the smaller are you're less likely to make money, to generate profits. You should look to the process. What do you need to do in order to be able to have the skill set necessary to be profitable? So this video is about it, and we gonna learn right now the foundations of trading, the most important elements that you need to master in order to become consistently profitable. The first trading foundation, it is risk management, and do not care that much about the order. Okay, as you will see next, the order doesn't matter. Okay, they are foundations, they work together, and you cannot exclude any of those three elements, okay? The first one that you teach you is risk management. And think about, we are managing something. What we are managing? We are managing risk. And we are risking what? We're risking money. And we need money in order to trade. We cannot trade without money. And that's one of the foundations. And I will tell you beforehand. Many people talk about risk reward, correlation and proportion, talk about how much you should risk a trade. But the main factor of risk in trading, it is the operator. It is the trader itself. So it will make even more sense as we continue. So let's continue to the next one. Strategy. Most beginners love to look for a trading strategy. They spend all day searching for a new trading strategy and believe that when they found the right one, they will become consistently profitable in a blink of an eye. And I will tell you, it is not how it works. The trading strategy should give you an edge. You should become profitable after 100, 200, or 1,000 trades, considering the trading costs, okay, the trading fees. Basically, just that, okay? It can be simple or you can make it extremely complex. Both ways can work, but if you can make it simple, it is better. Okay, let's continue. Trading psychology. That one is a little bit controversial because some people truly believe that trading psychology doesn't matter and it is just about a bad strategy that will give you that feeling, that sensation that you need to improve your trading psychology. But on the other hand, some people truly believe that trading strategy it is 90% of trading or even 100% of trading, and it is basically the number one factor that you should look for. In reality, it's something that I want to you understand and make it clear in your mind. When we talk about trading psychology, it can become a little bit abstract. So I want you to think every time you hear trading psychology, think about the trader, think about you, think about your mind, your mindset, okay? How you think, what you believe, how you behave, okay? And in the next slides, I will teach you some details that will completely change your perspective about trading psychology. Now pay attention. This is extremely important for your whole trading career. It can even change your trading philosophy. So every time you change one single variable in each one of these three trading foundations, you are moving the other two as well. Let me give you a simple example. Let's say you're trading in the 4-hour chart, in the 4-hour time frame, and you decided to go to the 1-minute time frame. Okay. And you may say, I'm just making one trade a day, risking 1%. So you may think I'm not changing anything in the risk management. But in reality, you completely affecting the risk management, because the difference from the 4 hours to the 5-minute charts in your trading psychology, in your mind, in your mindset, how it affects you, your impulsiveness, anxiety, you may feel more pressure, things are faster, and you may lose your focus. So you're affecting your mind, your trading psychology. And that is the number one risk factor in trading. You, the operator, you are the one that making the decisions. A bad decision can cost you a lot of money. So every single time you change anything in each one of those trading foundations, you are affecting the other two as well. You're moving the other two as well. So never forget that when you're studying, when you're making your trading plan, when you're changing your trading rules, consider that. So basically, your trading results doesn't matter if they're positive or negative, if you're profitable or not, are the result of the trading psychology that you have, the strategy and the risk management. In other words, you're using your mind, the human resource that you have, to extract the best from your trading edge by risking your money. So it is basically the formula to your trading results. And pay attention that you need to have at least in each one of these three trading foundations, you need to have at least the minimum skill level necessary in order to become profitable. If you lack trading psychology, you will not be profitable. If you lack risk management, you will not be profitable. And the same thing for the strategy. Every one of the three trading foundations is necessary. But there is a difference in trading psychology. The most important one is trading psychology because it precedes trading. It is not only about what you do while trading, but about who you are. Someone who is patient can use that virtue while trading, but the trader who doesn't have the virtue outside of trading cannot use something he doesn't have. Who you are outside of trading plus what you do while trading can express, at least most of the time, what trading psychology is. Don't forget to like, subscribe, because I will continue making videos to help you in your trading development journey. And don't forget what is the most important. Trust God and rely on Him.